And viewers, even as Delhi battled disruptions due to the first heavy rains of the season, Parliament witnessed disruption for entirely different reasons, and we are going to show you why. What happened in Parliament? It was Rahul Gandhi who spoke there, and he stood up to speak, and he said that the debate should be on NEET, after which there was ruckus that broke out in the Lok Sabha. In the Rajya Sabha, former Prime Minister Deve Gowda stood up and made an appeal to the opposition. What did he say? He said that yes, we acknowledge and agree that students are suffering, but disrupting the parliament will not help students. Yesterday you saw what happened at the NTA. It was one of the most dramatic protests of the Congress's student union. It stormed into the building of the NTA, locked the doors of the NTA, and in fact did a sit-in dharna. And in Tamil Nadu, there is a resolution that has been passed to ensure that NEET is cancelled. So this is how the politics is playing out. Watch what happened as the parliament erupted in sloganeering. It was the opposition that erupted in sloganeering in both the houses, and these are the reactions that came in.
मैं रिक्वेस्ट करता हूं प्रधानमंत्री जी को कि ये युवाओं की इशू है और अच्छी तरह प्यार से डिस्कशन होना चाहिए, रिस्पेक्टफुली डिस्कशन होना चाहिए. हम रिस्पेक्टफुली करेंगे. आप भी डिस्कशन में ज्वाइन कीजिए, आप भी भाग लीजिए और रिस्पेक्टफुली, क्योंकि ये युवाओं का मामला है. तो हम चाहते हैं युवाओं को मैसेज मिले. घबराए हुए हैं, उनको ये नहीं मालूम कि क्या होने वाला है नीट में. तो पार्लियामेंट से मैसेज जाना चाहिए, उनको भरोसा मिलना चाहिए कि हिंदुस्तान की सरकार और हिंदुस्तान का ऑपोजिशन एक साथ मिलकर स्टूडेंट्स की बात कर रहा है.
Now viewers, the opposition is in no mood to relent. What's happening? Take a look. There was complete chaos in the Lok Sabha, and this comes just a day after the way the NSUI led those protests at the NTA building. Deve Gowda, like we told you, also appealed, but no opposition leader paid any heed. Now this is the student wing of the Congress party. There's a meeting of opposition MPs on the NEET issue. The government is telling the opposition that they, in fact, are ready for a debate, but the opposition is unrelenting in its attack. Listen in to what Education Minister said.
देखिए, सरकार किसी भी प्रकार की चर्चा की है, लेकिन सब परंपरा और मर्यादा के अंदर होनी चाहिए. जब कल परम आदरणीय राष्ट्रपति महोदया जी ने अपने प्रारंभिक भाषण में परीक्षा के ऊपर खुद ही एड्रेस किया, ये सरकार की इंटेंशन को प्रतीत करती है कि हम कोई भी विषय को सामना करने के लिए प्रस्तुत है, जो तथ्य हम समाज में रखना चाहते हैं. आज तो जब मैं लोकसभा में था, जब प्रतिपक्ष उस विषय पे अपने बातों पे रहे, स्पीकर महोदय ने कहा कि तब आप चर्चा नहीं चाहते हो. हम तो आपको चर्चा करने के लिए अवसर दे रहे हैं. सरकार अपना पक्ष रखने के लिए प्रस्तुत है. जब आप चर्चा से भागते हो, सरकार अपना पक्ष रखने के लिए प्रस्तुत है, तो कंफ्यूजन किस बात की है?
In fact, the attacks were unrelenting, from Rahul Gandhi to Mallikarjun Kharge, from Lok Sabha to Rajya Sabha. The opposition's focus was just one: corner the government on the issue of NEET. What did the government say? The government said that follow the protocol. This was the time to, in fact, speak on the motion of thanks when it comes to the president's address. Listen to how those reactions played out.
स्टूडेंट्स बहुत परेशान है. नीट का एग्जामिनेशन बार बार 7 साल में 70 बार पेपर लीक होता है. तो क्या है 7 साल में 70?
I am not getting, no. Leader of the opposition is expected to confine to the issue. No, sorry, please, sir. Sir, बैठिए, please, take your seat, take your seat. Nothing will go on record.
In fact, be it the NEET issue, there was another issue that was raked by the Congress party. The Congress party also accused the Lok Sabha Speaker of trying to drown the voices of the leader of opposition. A blistering face-off played out on the issue of NEET and also on the mics off charge. Watch how that face-off turned out.
माननीय सदस्यगण, आज का दिन भारतीय संसद के इतिहास में इतना दागी हो गया है कि प्रतिपक्ष के नेता स्वयं वेल में आएंगे, ऐसा कभी नहीं हुआ है। मैं पीड़ित हूं, मैं अचंभित हूं। भारतीय संसदीय परंपरा इतनी गिर जाएगी कि प्रतिपक्ष के नेता वेल में आएंगे, डिप्टी लीडर वेल में आएंगे।
इस बहस के करने के लिए नीट एग्जामिनेशन के जो इतने बड़े घोटाले हो गए, पेपर लीक हो गया, बच्चे परेशान हैं, लाखों बच्चे परेशान हैं, तो इन लोगों का जो समस्या है उसके तरफ ध्यान खींचने के लिए हमने स्पेसिफिक डिस्कशन मांगा। हमने किसी यानी अपने जो राष्ट्रपति अभिभाषण पे डिस्टर्ब करना नहीं चाहते थे। हम सिर्फ उनके जो स्टूडेंट्स के मुद्दे हैं उसको उठाकर उनके सामने रखना चाहते थे, वो स्पेसिफिक थे।
Now, viewers, the pictures that you see here go on to sum up the controversy around NEET and the politics around it. Rahul Gandhi there leading the charge when it comes to the Congress party, saying that we want a proper debate when it comes to NEET. Then it was an appeal made by Deve Gowda, I beg your pardon, the former Prime Minister. He appealed to the opposition and he said that ensure that the House functions. The protests are ongoing, and these are protests by the cadre of the Congress party student wing, that is the NSUI. In Hyderabad, there was also an attempt to lay siege to Union Minister G. Kishan Reddy's residence. And then in Tamil Nadu, like we've been telling you, there is a resolution that has been passed. But first up, let's listen into what Deve Gowda said when he was making that appeal in the Rajya Sabha.
The point is, the government has already taken the decision and order for a CBI inquiry. The inquiry has not been completed. In 3 states, they have arrested the people who are responsible for this type of damage. Sir, please, sir, I am sitting in this house. I don't want to take sides. But so far as the NEET examination is concerned, what has happened, yes, I do agree. You can't fix the responsibility because there are thousands of examiners in the whole country. It is so easy to fix the responsibility on an individual. The examination